Welcome to Vertiseed Farms. We are a company on a mission to revolutionize the way we grow and consume produce, and to build a more sustainable future through innovative agriculture. Our unique vertical farming systems offer a more sustainable and efficient way to grow produce, and are tailored to the specific needs of each customer. With reduced water and energy usage, higher crop yields, and a smaller carbon footprint, our systems are poised to disrupt the traditional agriculture industry. But we're not just in it for the profits. We're also committed to using our success to make a positive difference in the world. That's why we offer a full range of support services, including design, fabrication, installation, and maintenance to help our customers succeed. Thank you for learning more about Vertiseed Farms. We hope you'll join us on this journey to revolutionize agriculture and build a more sustainable future. If you're interested in learning more about our vertical farming systems, please visit our website or contact us for more information. We look forward to hearing from you.